Today, I'm here again to give a live factory tour and explanation of Towable boom lifts. Hope those in need of such equipment will find it interesting. Towable boom lifts displayed this time are remotely controlled by the master beside me. Now, let me show you the performance of this equipment in all aspects. It is equipped with hydraulic outriggers or mechanical support feet, which are deployed to support the grounding during operation, ensuring the stability of the equipment during high-altitude work and avoiding shaking risks. The efficiency of high-altitude operations is 3 to 5 times higher than that of traditional scaffolding or ladders, shortening the construction period and reducing labor costs. This equipment can reach a height of 16 meters when extended. The platform load capacity is 200 kilograms. Equipped with an intuitive control panel supporting electric or hydraulic drives, the operation process is simplified, allowing novices to get started quickly. Some models support remote control, enhancing operational safety in complex scenarios. Widely used in installation and maintenance across various industries including municipal engineering, electric power, street lighting, advertising, telecommunications, photography, landscaping, transportation, docks, airport ports, and large industrial and mining enterprises. The equipment is equipped with wheels at the bottom, enabling quick transportation via towing tools such as trucks and trailers. It eliminates the need for additional lifting equipment, making it ideal for switching between multiple job sites. The boom can rotate horizontally and pitch at multiple angles, combined with the 360-degree rotation function of the basket. It realizes steady angle, free aerial work, reduces the frequency of equipment movement, and improves efficiency. When not in use, components such as the boom and the basket can be flexibly folded and retracted, significantly reducing the overall size. This makes it easy to store in warehouses or confined spaces, minimizing the cost of site occupation. It supports the customization of special parameters according to customers' needs, such as increasing the working height, enhancing the load of bearing capacity, adapting to low temperature or high temperature environments, etc., to meet personalized operation scenarios. If you'd like to see detailed parameters, feel free to leave a comment.